Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the Proxy Helper extension on the Chrome browser. Proxy Helper is a popular extension often used to change IP addresses to meet various work-related requirements. Alright, first, let's install this extension. Open Chrome and search Google with the keyword Proxy Helper, then click on the first result. Since there are quite a few extensions with similar names, make sure to select the one with 100,000 users. This is the official extension. I'll include a link to the extension in the description below. Install it as usual, and then we'll start configuring it. To configure Proxy Helper, you'll need to have 4 pieces of information ready: the IP address, port, username, and password. If you don't have this information yet, contact your proxy service provider. In the General Settings section, enter the IP address and port in the fields for HTTP proxy and HTTPS proxy. Leave the other fields at their default settings. Next, move on to the Authentication section and input the username and password. Everything will be saved automatically. Now, visit Whoever to check the IP address before and after activating Proxy Helper.